Happy New Year, 2020. This is John in Los Angeles. It's about 11:20 in the morning on January 1st. And look who we got going here. And out of the corner of my eye, I can see other ones also. So we're off to a wonderful start. You know, I'm trying to think positive. The first thing I do is get up in the morning. I walk outside, and people still got those stupid cereal bowls on their face. I don't know how long these morons are going to keep wearing this, but I'm really tired of it. Okay, let me regroup on this idiot. This guy's really low, by the way. Really low to the ground. Yeah. You know, you try and think positive. Everybody goes, oh, you're so negative. You're going to bring this stuff on. I've been watching the years go by, and every time there's a new year, it gets worse and worse. I mean, look at all this stuff that's going on right now. How do you think positive on that? Look what I'm showing you here. They're spraying you, your family, your dog, your cat, your plants, your trees. And they don't say a word about it on the news. Of course they don't. And nobody seems to give a crap. They're just fearing all this stupid silliness on the news where you get jabbed like a freaking dartboard all day long. I'm listening to the radio this morning, trying to get away from all this. You can't do it. No, it's just, hold on, let me regroup. Okay, this is another one. But what I was telling you about the radio, in between every song, they play all these love songs. And in between each one, they're telling you to be responsible for the holiday and go get you and your family jabbed. How dare them? Their phone number's busy. Believe me, I've been trying to call them. I'm not putting up with this crap anymore. This is enough. You know? I can't believe people are still wearing that stupid muzzle. Waddling around. Sickening. Alright, man, my photography's getting worse. Hold on, let me regroup on this guy. Well, here's another one. I was just going to follow that one guy that was just on, but here's another one. This is 11-something in the morning, 11:42 on January 1st. And here they are. All over the place. This is three I've gotten in just the space of, what, 2 minutes? I'm trying to get the colors in there so you can see the heavy metals reflecting from the sun. Oh, regrouping. Anybody see what airline this is? Because I mean, some of them I think are painted like Southwest Airlines, but I think when you get in close, they're not really them. I mean, who's gonna sit there and go across the country with this trail behind them? Somebody would figure it out on the plane, I would think. You know, the control towers. You know, the aircraft control towers. You think they would know, right? Their job is to watch the sky. Okay. Creepy. I just had to show you what's going on here. I wish I could show you something beautiful, man. Manifest blue skies and puffy clouds, guys, please. Because I don't want to manifest this stuff. I'm just showing you because they're not stopping. And they have no intention of stopping. They're going to keep pulling this crap with their muzzle and everything else, and most people are going to fall for it. You got to wake up, take this stupid stuff off your face, and say no to everything. It's enough. All right? Take care, guys. Happy New Year. Yeah.